Yo, what's poppin'? What's crack-a-lackin'? What up, though? What it do? Hey, welcome back to Blacked Out Kickz page, and we here. So I told y'all I wanted to get into some different stuff. I'm gonna keep saying that because it's new viewers. Here we got some clothes, some jackets, and some shoes from recent videos, and some from way back. And it's the season, so we definitely gonna get into some different stuff. Hey, if you new to my video, thank you. Can you do me a favor? Make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a like, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you continuously stay up to everything Blacked Out Kickz. Hey, I want to get into these shoes that I cop that y'all probably seen a video already of these, but I want to get into the shoes to go with this clothes. Then I want to put some outfits together. So stick around with me. We're going to get into some stuff. We're going to have some fun. We're going to mismatch some stuff to make it look good. And we're just going to keep it moving. And hey, don't judge me. I'm cheap. Yes, y'all see it. Walmart bag. Just stopped in there to get one thing, and here we got this brown long sleeve collar shirt here from the brand George. I think it's a Walmart brand. I'm not sure on that. I think it is a Walmart brand. Just something to layer. We're not going too deep and getting into why I just don't. Me personally, expensive clothes it just don't do nothing for me. So yes, so we got this brown long sleeve collar shirt here by George. Let me know how y'all feel about this. It's a lot of people. My wife don't like brown, so she's not gonna like this shirt. It blends in with my skin, but that's okay. We're gonna do some different tones to make that stand out, right? And that should go with. I got these Freddy Cougars. It's going for a pretty penny. I got these to try to match up with some of the stuff that I got. Y'all see the details on these are crazy. Got the blood splatter, all that good stuff. So I got them. And recently in my recent video, we got these. So these definitely go with this. But we're gonna throw some different fits on with it. And these jackets, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about when I say some different stuff here. So let's get into this. My bad, bam. Y'all see Old Navy? Old Navy? Y'all still okay? Calm down. We got it. We good. Okay. Y'all still mess with Old Navy? Let me know if y'all still mess with Old Navy. I don't know. I don't have a lot of cream color stuff, so I figured I could get some cream color jackets or some shirts or something to layer it up with. What y'all think? I don't know. Let me know. I don't know. Well, like I said, I don't have a lot of cream color stuff, so this one was definitely one for the taking. So the first thing we got this. It's not jean, but it's something like jean shirt here, jacket, or whatever you want to call it. A 2X. I think it was dope. Just a little shirt thing, like I said, to layer it. Hey, I think this gonna go crazy with what I'm about to show y'all. This fit I'm about to show y'all with these. This was on the clearance rack for $17.99. It's a 2X. You can't go wrong with something like that, man. Like I said before, I'm cheap. I shop cheap. I barely buy clothes that's expensive. I just make them look good when I put them on, because what make clothes look good? You. So wear what you want to wear. Just make it look good, right? So I think this is a dope little piece. We gonna layer it. We gonna set this off. Like I said, Old Navy, $17. Regular price on that was $60. So y'all see where I'm going here, right? It don't cost a lot to dress nice. So I got this thing where I don't like dressing off a mannequin. That bothers me. I don't want to see something in the window and then see it on somebody. That bothers with my mind, because it's simple to dress, and it's simple to dress. It's very simple. If you keep it simple, you will always be able to find something to wear. You'll always be able to find a piece or two. And me personally, I don't shop for outfits, because that's when you don't find anything, when you start shopping for outfits. The only way you could shop, the only way I feel like shopping for an outfit is if I'm going into a store and I have somewhere to go. If I don't have nowhere to go, I'm buying pieces, right? Pieces sometimes don't go with each other from different places. And then when you put them together, you be like, oh man, I had this sit in the closet, or I had this already. So if you're on a budget, buy a shirt, buy pants, every check, or however you want to do that, but get you pieces. And that's how you'll build you a collection up. That's how you build you a nice little rotation of clothes, because you'll have, at that point, you'll have a collection of clothes. So if you own a budget and you can't just go buy a bunch, or, you know, buy a piece every now and again. I'm gonna get this shirt, I'm gonna get this jacket, I'm gonna get these pants. And if you don't want to wear it right away, don't wear it right away. But sooner or later, you'll find something to wear it with. We got this. We got this. Oh my God. Look, this boy right here. Tell me this ain't nice. Tell me this ain't nice. And it's thicker, it's heavy. Like I said, this is my season. It got that brown hue to it. I think we definitely can get this off. Get this off. Pause. Pause heavy on that. This ran me around, it was 30% off. It was an $80 jacket and it was 30% off. So I got it around 60 bucks, 60, 50, something around there. So how y'all feeling about this? Let me know. But we definitely about to get some fits off, and we about to show y'all some different stuff. So stick around, hang in, get some popcorn, laugh and joke with me, and hey, listen to this good music in the background, yo.
Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treating it like nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. You're telling me you're falling out of love with me. Fall out of love. Hope you can find someone to love you better than I did. Taking our memories on love and treat it like it's nothing. Taking our memories on love and treating it like gossip. Fall out of love. Nobody gon' treat you better like I did.
I'll be obliged if you step outside, because my ride is awaiting. I date a steak, a nightcap we make, awakened by smells of perfume that I inhale, and then tell how well we raise hell on the Giselle. Satin sheets, heat from your feet, keep me warm. The mood is perfected with the sounds from the storm. You came stronger, I lasted longer than I've ever lasted. Your mouth was fantastic, the book test you passed it. The way you made a nigga laugh, I had to get you. And when I saw that ass pass, I had to hit you. You're making me fight against my will. What must I do? Yeah, if my life in danger too. Yeah, if that shit belongs to you. Yeah, if the way you act is true. Who knows? Fine clothes, Lexus those you'll be closing when you become one of the those and O's in different places, different faces, different cases. Got me tied like shoelaces. Don't mistake.
Liking the new, what I got going on here. Hey, give me a follow, yo. On that note, yo, we out.